video what's wrong this week. Today's a tough day for me, y'all. It would have been my older brother's 53rd birthday, but he's not with us anymore. I found him a couple years ago. He wasn't breathing anymore in his home. Toughest day of my life, y'all. And it still hurts. Real bad. But life gotta keep going, you know. He loved to garden. He loved to landscape. So I just wanted to say happy birthday, Big Grace, all the way to paradise. I do this for you, bro. I love landscaping and garden because of you, bro. Thank you. Y'all know we always start right here at the door with our tomato plant. I don't know if y'all can see through the screen. We got some little tomato buds. We're gonna go out. Trying to get rid of the cobwebs. Spiders be. Oh, look at there, y'all. Look. We got tomatoes today, July 21st. Happy birthday, bro. All the way to heaven. Got a bunch of tomatoes in there. Thai basil. Y'all know this is our favorite plant on the porch. I don't know what this is from. It might be a weed, but I'm thinking it's a garden plant, y'all. We'll see. I'm gonna let it keep going. See, there's zucchini plant. Y'all see, it's got some flowers on it. I don't have any zucchini buds in there right now, but we do got some flowers on there. See some good tomatoes. They're getting big over there. See up there, there's some more tomatoes. Got one that's changing colors. It's actually yellow, y'all. Good job. There. You can see those zucchini flowers are looking good. Let's see this. The ants have taken over. Here in our lettuce pot, you can see I planted more lettuce seeds. Got some lettuce sprouting. You can see right there. See a piece over here. Let's see back there. Yeah, we got some lettuce sprouting. Mosquitoes. Alright, our mint plant. I don't know what happened to my bell pepper plant. Y'all know last week it looked really good. Y'all see this plant this week? Oh my gosh. Looking real crazy. Cucumber plant is looking good. I figured out, I thought this was zucchini, but this is cucumber. It has the little viney things on it. That's a cucumber plant. And I did give it some bamboo so they can have something to vine up and grow up. You can see this same plant that's over in the other pot is over here, so it might be a vegetable, y'all. Carrot tops look good. I'm pretty sure we probably got some carrots under the dirt if I pull them out. I'm gonna wait a little longer. Hot pepper plant down there, they were looking good, but I don't know what happened again this week. It's been rough. Down here, got more zucchini, squash. Plants looking good. This one as well is looking good. We got one over here as well. It looks fabulous. That's our basil. Here, I can see our Swiss chard is looking amazing. I'm gonna pluck some Swiss chard to go with them lamb meatballs from yesterday that I made. Down there, you see the chive. Back there, we had a tomato plant looking good, but y'all see that? Something got a hold to it. It's looking cray-cray. And right here is pineapple sage. Looking good. We have some okra sprouting. I planted more seeds, y'all. We got some okra sprouting. this pot. So that's what we got sprouting this week in the garden. Today is Monday, July 21st. It is my brother's 53rd birthday all the way in paradise. I miss him so much, y'all. I'm gonna go out to the cemetery in a little while and pay my respects to my brother. It's your girl Jacques from Zola Don's Fresh Market. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. Let's go back in here. For those tomatoes. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Hi.